Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Galactic Outlaw tower defense game crashing or not working, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen, keep stopping or several other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your phone. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your device. Once your device restarts, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Galactic Outlaw Tower Defense game. Here you have to check if any update is available. If yes, update your game to the latest version. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using Wi-Fi, go to mobile data or do vice versa. You can enable airplane mode for some time, again disable it, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. If the issue still continues, you should force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, click on force stop and then click on OK. Now after doing this, launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue continues, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage, click on clear cache. You can also clear data over here, but after the cleanup, all the files, settings, accounts, databases and other information contained in this app will be deleted and cannot be retrieved. So if you have a backup of all those data and files and informations, you can go ahead and click on a delete option, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you can install a VPN app. So for that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN and you will get lots of VPN apps over here, and install any one of it. Now after installing it, log into it, change the location. After that, try to launch the game and check if it's working. If it doesn't resolve the issue, you should check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, you have to go to the settings, click on system update, check if any update is available, and after updating your phone OS to the latest version, launch the game and check. You should also check if there is enough space or not. So for that, you have to go to the settings, and after that you have to click on RAM and storage. It may be differ from phone to phone. Check if enough space is there or not. If there is less space, you need to delete some unused apps or games or content. After that, try to launch the game and check if it's working. But even after following all the methods, the issue still continues. You are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, you have to delete the game first. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon, click on uninstall. After you remove the game, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Galactic Outlaw Tower Defense game and again click on the install option. Now once your game is reinstalled, try to play the game and check if it's working. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.